Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make custom stainless. Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom stainless steel welding tags. In this case here, you can see the fiber laser etching here is done with a galvo. So this is a permanent etching on here. Unlike screen printing or vinyl imprint or stickers or any of that kind of stuff, this stuff will not come off. So when you're doing your gas tungsten arc welding all the way around, it's solid. Even if the tag warps or bends or whatever from the heat, you're learning how to weld, it doesn't matter, this stuff will not come off because it's part of the tag, it's part of the metal itself. It's not something applied to it on the surface or embedded into it. Now the nice thing about stainless steel is if you have stainless steel projects, you can weld these to the stainless steel and you don't have any issues with galvanic corrosion or anything else like that. Now this is our most popular size for welding tags, and they're 1 inch by 3 inch, and pretty much everything fits on that. The nice thing about the laser is that you have basically infinite resolution. So if you wanted some, added a website over here or a phone number or any other details on here, everything's nice and clear. You start to hit a bottleneck when it comes to printing and screen printing or vinyl sort of stickers. You hit a bottleneck and after that you just can't get over it. But with laser, the beam is so infinitely small that you can have very clear things. So if you wanted, let's say, to have barcodes on this, you can totally have barcodes on it and it'll actually work. So if you're looking for custom tags, any size, any shape, any material, we can make them for you here at CNCKing.com and ship them right to your door.